One Fulani herdsmen don't come outside though, come talk say they will not stop. They carry their cow, they enter inside people farm because their grandpapa do am and them too go even do am. As he talk this thing, one Hausa don't still come outside. Come talk say if Nigeria is not workable, make the Igbos and the Biafrans go their way. Things are happening. However, welcome back to Balabas GC. If it's not the first time they come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Please share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates. I'm going to play you the video right now for you to watch it, and before we come back on continue, just stay tuned and watch the video.
Good morning everybody. My name is Ibrahim. I'm a Fulani by tribe and we are the peacemaker. And you people telling us to take our cow, go out on our fatherland, and we are destroying on our crops and we are raping on our mothers. All those kind of comments I'm seeing it. But listen, one thing what me I want to tell you. Remember, we Fulani, this is not the first. We are not the first Fulani who is cattle raiders, and you people are not the first people who is farming. Since them born my grandfather, there is cattle raiders issue, and that time when are they not taking problem put for their head? Now you people want to use this tribalism, and some people are calling us kidnappers. We Fulani, we don't kidnap, and we don't. If you say cow issue, farm issue, that one I will agree for it because any person who is trading these animals, those cows they are not human beings. By mistake, maybe they can go and enter your farm. So from there, but since before we come in our village, we have already taken agreements. When cow enter your farm, we will come and pay you, and then when you people destroy cow, you people will pay. Is not what we stand before when peace they reign in anywhere in Nigeria, in the whole world self. That is the only the issue when we have, because it's not only Nigeria where Fulani are railing cow. Remember, like something Senegal, Mali, Burkina Faso, Guinea, so many countries, so African countries, even in the United States, there is Fulani railing cow here, Kukulas of Nigerian here and East. You are telling me say that, and we Fulani we are not kidnapped. Those Eastern security, they are the people who is kidnapping. They are just using as Fulani dress, go and kidnap their brothers and killing their brothers, raping their brothers. We Fulani, we doesn't rape anybody, and we doesn't do anything. All that when you are measuring is your brother making it. We Fulani, we are peacemaker. We doesn't find trouble. Anybody who know Fulani, he know us with that thing. Truthfully.
Look, now they carry on a car. They chop what we plant for farm. You hear?
It's America, I know they chop anything.
You know they chop anything?
You know they chop cassava.
You know they chop cassava? You know they chop food?
You know now only grass then they chop.
Now only grass. Yes. But they carry on the enter farm. People farm, they
never enter people farm now. You get my own farm, they put my place now.
You go for your place?
Yes.
What will be your place? Which one be your place?
Not Sokoto place.
Sokoto?
Yeah.
You have your own farm there for Sokoto?
You don't pass this to your own now.
But your cow, they chop what you plant for farm?
No, if you carry cow, come put to the inside farm, then they chop up for my place. Suppose just now they no serve this cassava. This cow. Cow from north, you know the cow are going. Cow are going, then the sabi.
Which one they are going?
You know where they are going.
Okay, cow get away, get the normal cow.
So make you know the chop, make you cow. If you are carrying your farm, you go put them, carry food, go give them, cut food, grass, go give them.
Now one, then they tie
do like that.
One side. Now
okay.
One, now two, then they tie on one side, carry food, go and give us. Carry they plenty. I can't go bush, give us food.
Go bush?
Yes.
If you go bush, make you know they disturb our people.
Thanks, okay. Make you find me something now.
Make you know they disturb our people.
Make you find me something now.
So make I find you something.
Yes, I go tell
so that
my people make you know entire cassava.
If I find you something, you go tell our people.
Yes,
make they not enter our cassava.
Yes, when you know entire farm, you see everything when you know enter. I mean, you one carry cow. Go find grass, give us.
No wahala, I go find you something.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. I want to make comment and send a message to this Ifurefu. you don't carry your cow to come to residence where people are living, and you know that in Igbo land we do farm close to our houses. When we build a house, we have a farmland close to it. And let me tell you, this is the same way the white people are doing. This is what they learn from us. When they build a house, they will have a small garden close to it. So how can you take your cow and you leave your forest, you leave your desert, you leave where you ranch your cow and come to our land, in our home, to rear your cow? Does that make sense? It doesn't make sense in anywhere. So those people who are seeing those cows in their residence and keep quiet, it's up to you. But the Fulanis have to know this. Stop bringing your cow to rear in Biafra land, in Igbo land. Build that ranches in your home. Since our people cannot sell beer, our people cannot sell open beer parlor in the north. So rear your cow in your home. Then bring the meat we'll buy from you. Those who eat cow meat. However, I'm going to play the second video, and it's a time that the Igbos have to start rearing cow. Igbos have to start rearing cow. Learn how Western people do it. You can rear your cow in your home. You can buy our Efibo and start rearing it in your home like our forefathers have done in the past, so that this Fulani cow thing will reduce in our land. It's a hard time. The way we train goat, the way we train, let us start rearing our native cow. My people, please share this video for more updates as it is hot. Let me play this video for you to hear what this Hausa man is saying here. Just listen.
Good morning.
I have been following your program, I think, throughout this week. And I'm a Hausa man, and I'm from Kano State. You see, personally, as a northerner, I don't have problem with the Igbo people agitating for self-actualization. I am not a hypocrite. I know there is a level of marginalization that is being played against the people of the southeastern part of the country. Many people blaming Igbos for living out their land and going out to others people's land to develop those land. Whether you love an Igbo man or not, you know that an average Igbo man is having an industrious lifestyle that you can hardly defeat an Igbo man in each and every field you found yourself competing with an Igbo man. You must double your effort before you catch up with him, talk less of defeating an Igbo man. That is how they are created to be. And then secondly, I don't really agree with always a manner in which the people or the indigenous people of Biafra are agitating for their self-actualization. We all know that Nigeria is a British contraption. It's not a country. And the mistake for amalgamating the Northern Protectorate and the Southern Protectorate in 1914 by Mr. Lord was a calculated game, not in the interest of Nigerians, but for the interest of the Britain and British themselves. So when people coming out to say that they are tired of this forceful construction of the people of different history, different culture, different religion, different background, and force them to be under one system, definitely you are creating an environment where tyranny and oppression will strive against justice and fairness. And as always, as I said, if Nigeria has to be one, so we need Nigeria where no Nigerian is better than any Nigerian. Each and every region should be given equal opportunity to enjoy the sense of belonging to a country called Nigeria. Because I always used to say it is unfair, it is unjust for a northerner to ask a southern people, especially those from eastern part of the country, to give them a land for cattle colony, to give them a land for cattle ranches. At the same time, they are demolishing and destroying Igbo's business in northern Nigeria, selling, and Igbo man is not allowed to own a bear fallow in Kano, Sokoto, Zamfara because their culture does not support that. If the culture of a Hausa man does not support having a bear fallow in his own land, the same thing as Igbo man don't know what is cattle colony because he was not originally training cows. But in a situation where we are living under one country, it will favor each and every region for having a free trade zone. But we should have an equal representation. So if you want to condemn the people for asking for Biafra, definitely you have to ask yourself, why are these people agitating for self-actualization? Because wherever you see a conflict, wherever you see a crisis, definitely there must be an injustice. And if there is a question of injustice, then there must be a question of resistance. And when people resist injustice, does not mean they are criminal. They are not a criminal. They are asking for their freedom. And naturally, man was created to be free. That is why when we found ourselves in an environment where there is no justice, where there is no equity, where there is no fairness, we feel uncomfortable. So we must react. But if Biafrans want to Biafra, they should channel their energy to British because they are the only people they can determine whether Nigeria should be divided or Nigeria should be continued.
Yeah, my people, welcome back and drop your own opinion in this particular video you are watching right now and share them so that we will get to many people. If you love what they do, try to share our video because you're encouraging us to do more videos like this. And also make sure you are following on our social media handles, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notification bell. Let us talk about this video in the comment section. Share